Hey y'all, I know I've been gone for like years, months, weeks, days. Okay, so since I already did my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer as a base. Okay, so I'm trying out a setting powder for my lighter tone clients, so I'm going in with the Revolution banana powder. And if you know me, you know this is my go-to palette for transition shades, so we just gonna go in with those two browns. Also, notice how I'm blending in the inner corner first. That's how I map out my nose contour. Okay, so now I'm taking another one of my favorite concealers and I'm doing a no-cut crease look. Okay, so now I'm just going back in and setting my lids so that it doesn't crease. Okay, so yeah, y'all always know like you gotta go back in and clean up because you don't want your harsh lines to show. Okay, so for this look, I decided that I wanted to use colored liners. So before, I'm just going ahead and putting on my mascara and the black eyeliner first. Okay, so I got all these colored liners from Amazon. I will link them below. Also, you may want to go in with 2 coats of this because after this dries, it kind of cracks. So, yeah. So y'all know I'm extra and I love glitter, so we're adding glitter. I got this glitter from Amazon. I will also link it in the description. Okay, so I'm taking some Kiss eyelash glue to go ahead and put this on my lids. Okay, so before I prime, I'm going in with some witch hazel to go ahead and get the extra oils and dirt off my face. Okay, so if I've never put y'all on to nothing, I'm gonna put y'all on to the best primer that I have ever used on my clients and on myself. This is the Embroyolisse primer. I'm gonna link it in the description. Okay, so the second primer I'm using is the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. I just forgot to show it on camera, but I'm just basically priming my T-zone. Okay, so the brand I'm using for foundation is Sephora brand, and it's in the shade Deep Mocha. Also, this foundation looks light on camera, but I promise it's my shade. It's just, you know, it's starting to become springtime in Texas, so this is my winter shade.
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me.
Also, I've started using 3 different concealers to highlight. So I'm going in with a middle to deep shade in the middle. And then on the outside, I'm going in with a dark shade. And in the inner corner, I'm going in with my lightest shade. Also, I use concealer to cream contour. You can use a foundation stick, but this is just what I like doing. Also, I got tips and tricks from another makeup artist to use a fluffy brush to blend out your contour. And ever since then, I like doing this. So I think y'all should definitely try this out. Okay, now I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray before blending out my concealer. Also, I'm blending out the darker shades first, and then I'm going to go in and blend out the lighter shades last.
Put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. Is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Okay, to set my contour, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses. Also, I'm going in with this Juvia's Place liquid blush. This is my first time trying it. I'm not going to lie, I'm not a fan of it because I feel like it's too overpowering. And I'm not really a person that likes a lot of blush, but I'm gonna work with it. My overall rate for it is probably a 6 out of 10. Okay, so to bake, I'm going to go in with a translucent powder and a regular setting powder. Okay, so before baking, I'm just going in and fixing my nose contour.
That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Okay, so while I'm baking, I'm just going in and doing all the last minute things that I need to do, like putting liner in my water line.
On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, my love.
I love their powder blush more than I love their liquid blush. Okay, so now I'm going in with finishing powder to wipe away the rest of the powder so that I don't look like Casper. And I'm also going to be setting right after. Okay, so I got this lash book from TikTok Shop, and girl, yes, I'm gonna link it in the description.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chasing beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode.
Okay, I love these. Oh my god, I love them. They don't steal from the overall look. They just do their big one. Also, I got the new lip gloss from Anari Cosmetics. So y'all tag me on Instagram if y'all recreate this.